Hi, this is Susie, the Travelly Hostess. I'm going to share with you how to use Chrome to save the research, the information, your inspiration ideas that you've been, I'm sure, spending a lot of time on the internet gathering. But perhaps you're not familiar with how to easily save and store all those ideas and information so you can easily return to them later. I know that exploring the internet for ideas can take a lot of time, and we don't always remember where we saw something or have the time, of course, to spend reading it, but we want to retrieve it later. If I open up the Chrome app there, and I've actually already searched. I'm going to Puerto Rico, so I want to search yoga studios in Puerto Rico. I love to practice yoga wherever I'm traveling in the world. And here we go. I, of course, have the different studios that pop up, the maps, and then the different hits for this search. I can always go to the TripAdvisor app, Yelp. However, in particular, I think this one is of interest, Ashtanga Yoga Puerto Rico. And I see some information. Let's say this is something that I want to return to later. The bottom right-hand corner, you see the three dots. I'm going to tap on that. I have a choice now. I can bookmark this to return to later, or I can add it to a reading list. So you see towards, the bottom, that second half where it says read later with the plus icon. I'm going to tap that. And it says added to a reading list. Again, the bottom three dots, I can tap on my reading list right below bookmarks. And here I have my unread reading list, as well as pages that I've read and perhaps want to still keep to return to. The other option with the three dots is to bookmark it. Again, down below under read later, I see bookmark with a star. Tap that, and I've created a bookmark. Again, I can return to bookmarks, the star above reading list, and I have my bookmarks. Actually, when I scroll back at the top left, I want to show this is one of my mobile bookmarks versus being added to my my Chrome bookmark bar on my laptop when I'm logged in. So this is just my mobile bookmarks to retrieve when I'm on my phone. However, I could have added it to my main bookmarks menu, so that when on my computer I can also return to that article. It's a quite handy way to keep track of and store the information that I'm gathering as I explore different ideas for traveling the world. I hope that was helpful.